Reinstated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, on Saturday don't officially join the All Progressive Congress APC back from the People's Democratic Party PDP. The Deputy Governor will return to APC for Benin, follow join body with some big people from the Dan Obi-led legacy group of the PDP, pot enter APC. Honorable Shaibu will enter the venue for the event around 8 minutes past 2, waka straight to where the former governor of Edo State, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, sit down and come kneel down before and will come make party supporters clap and jubilate.
Thank you.
After the welcome back to the party by the leaders of the party, Oga Philip Shaibu come here and say he come back to add value to the party and say on behalf of the legacy group, they announce their movement back to the APC. He come talk say na time to take back the state and say dem no go talk too much, say action go speak for them. Say the homeboys dey ready to take back the state through the APC governorship candidate Senator Monday Okpebholo and the running mate Honorable Idahosa. Oga Shaibu come still talk say dem no be troublemakers, but if he come, dem go use am raw body and go move on.
My father, Comrade Adams, I want to stand on any established protocols. I want to thank God for today. I give him all the glory on behalf of all of us in Legacy Coalition. We have come to join APC, our home. And I want to assure our national chairman and all the members of APC that we have come to add value, and it is time to take our state back. It is time to take our state. It is time to take our state back. And by the grace of God, sir, action will speak louder than voice. We are ready to move. Are we not ready to move? Are we not ready to move? Are we afraid? You know they look for trouble. But when you come, police are wrong for them and move on. That is all. So this is a clear message to them. This is a clear message to them. We, the old boys and old girls and old papa, we are ready to take our step back. And by the grace of God, our next governor and deputy governor is going to be by the grace of God, Monday Okpebholo and Idahosa.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.